welcome to Mechanical Training World channel. Today we are going to discuss UG-45, that is nozzle neck thickness scale. Before going to see the nozzle neck thickness formula, let us see some important nomenclature guys. So this is the nozzle and this is the shell guys. You will see here there is a cylindrical portion. So the thickness for that cylindrical portion is nothing but nozzle neck thickness guys. Thickness under this hub area is nothing but hub thickness. And nozzle neck thickness is the pipe thickness. And two more important nomenclatures are there. TB1, that is the thickness of shell under internal pressure. And TB2 is the thickness for the shell under external pressure guys. So these are the important nomenclature you need to know before going to this UG-45 formula. For the calculation of nozzle neck thickness, the code divided the nozzles into two types guys. One is inspection nozzle and the other one is other type of nozzles guys. Let us see what is the minimum thickness condition for inspection nozzle. The minimum nozzle thickness as per UG-45 for the inspection nozzle is UG-45 is equal to TA guys. So where TA is the minimum neck thickness required for internal and external pressure using UG-27 and UG-28. So this is how you need to calculate minimum nozzle thickness for inspection nozzles guys. So this is the direct formula we are taking from the UG-27 and UG-28. Because it is looks like a cylindrical shape, right? So we already know for cylindrical shape how to calculate the thickness. That means they are code already given the thickness formula in UG-27 and the UG-28 for internal and external pressure conditions guys. So next we will see the minimum nozzle thickness calculation for other nozzles. Before going to see that formula, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon guys. You will get notified if I upload any new videos furtherly. So let us see the minimum nozzle thickness for the other type of nozzles guys. So the minimum nozzle thickness as per UG-45 for the other type of nozzles is equal to maximum of TA and TB. We already know how to calculate TA. So let us see how to calculate TB. So TB is the minimum of TB1, TB2 and TB3 guys. So we already know TB1 and TB2. So TB1 is the thickness of the shell under internal pressure and TB2 is the thickness of the shell under external pressure guys. So this TB1 we can calculate as per UG-27 and this TB2 we will calculate as per UG-28 guys. So let us see how we need to calculate TB3. So there is no need to calculate TB3 guys. So the code already given one table, that is table UG-45. From this table you need to select one thickness for the TB3 guys. So you need to select one size. As per your size you need to select the minimum wall thickness. So this is your TB3. Minimum nozzle thickness as per UG-45 for the other type of nozzle is maximum of TA and TB. I hope now you understand how to calculate nozzle neck thickness for inspection nozzles and other type of nozzles. So in the next lecture, we will see one example problem guys.